Hi guys, this is our first stop from Riyadh. It's called Harad. It's 257 kilometers from Riyadh. So after this gasoline station, dun sa nakikita yung yun doon nakikita niyo yun yung start ng longest straight road in the world. Nag-stretch siya ng 252 kilometers from that bridge. World record po yan. Hi guys, nakikita po ninyo yun yung start po to ng Harad Batha Road. Ito po yung longest straight road in the world, 252 kilometers from Harad to Batha border. Ganito lang po siya, talagang straight lang siya. Kaya it's a challenge po sa mga drivers. Kailangan maging dahil naka-steady lang. Yan, ganyan lang siya. After that, doon sa UAE na po yun, Batha border.